All right, we are on vertical adjacent complementary angles level 2. So if you struggled with level 1 before, you need to go back, you need to look at that stuff, all those videos where I was doing level 1. And once you understand that, then watch this one. If you don't remember exactly what complementary angles are like, if you don't remember exactly how to find out what a vertical angle is, or a supplementary angle, which one is which, and how to find their measures, you need to go back and watch those other videos. They'll be in the help sheet as well. If you are ready for this, then I am going to demonstrate here. So we need to figure out what angles X and Y are. Okay, so we see part of this is just learning how to zero in on one angle at a time and figure out that one. So the first one we're going to look at is angle X. And the reason for that is this. Let me take out the eraser. So right here, we don't really need this. That's just kind of clutter. And then if we erase Y for just a little bit, and even this for a little bit. Okay, now we're starting to see, hey, if you can focus in on stuff like this, that's going to help you a ton. Okay, these are just simple complementary angles. So X plus 25 is going to be 90, sorry, it's 29, 90 degrees. Because these are complementary, you see that right angle right there. So if we just take 90 minus 29, that's going to give us 61. So that's going to be 61. We can write that in there, but I'm going to make all this come back first. Okay, and now it will be really helpful for you if you draw a picture of this on your own piece of paper, and then you can kind of draw all over it like I am. That can be very helpful. So what was it, 61? Yeah. So X is going to be 61. And now we have this right angle. So since this is a right angle, that means that all the angles around it will be as well. So this is going to be, okay, that's kind of a fat square, but you see, and also right here. Okay, and that means X 61 and Y, since there's a square here, these are going to be complementary angles as well. So let me erase stuff so that you can see that more clearly. Just forget about all this stuff. And now we can see, okay, that square is still pretty fat, and that's kind of ugly, but you can see that this is a right angle. It looks just like an L with a square in it, and it has a line coming out of it, which makes these complementary angles. And that means 90 minus 61 is going to be Y, so 29. So X was 61, Y was 29. Submit the answer. Okay, and I got it correct. And see, this will show you how to do it by lighting up in a different color the angle that it's focusing on. So if you don't get things correct, you can even for the first one just get it wrong on purpose and then look at this. Oh, that's how I was supposed to do it. This is a learning process. It's not about I'm going to get it right the first time. That usually doesn't happen in math or in life, especially when you get into older grades. So learn from all your mistakes, okay? And then you're going to be able to get through this.